Do you want to sound natural when talking about Christmas in English? In this video, I'll teach you words like stocking, mistletoe, carols, and Christmas Eve, with clear explanations and real examples. Hi everyone. Now, today you might have noticed that we're not in the classroom. I wanted this video to feel a little bit more Christmassy, so I'm at home with my babies. We have Ted, Monkey, this capybara is called Picky, and we have Mo Dang. So they're going to be accompanying us today while we learn some useful Christmas vocabulary. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go. What is Christmas? Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25th. It began as a Christian holiday celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, but today it's also a cultural celebration around the world. For many people, Christmas is about family, food, gifts, and spending time together. So let's spend some time together learning some Christmas vocabulary. Christmas traditions. People celebrate Christmas in many different ways, but some traditions are very common. Homes are decorated with Christmas trees, lights, and ornaments. People exchange presents, enjoy a special Christmas dinner, and listen to Christmas music. Children wait patiently for Santa Claus to bring them gifts on Christmas Eve whilst they are sleeping, but only if they have been good little boys and girls. Core Christmas vocabulary. Christmas tree. A decorated tree, usually a pine, in the home. Many of them actually made out of plastic. Santa Claus, the man who brings presents to children. This comes from the legend of Saint Nicholas from Germany. Present or gift. Something you give to someone else to show how much you love them. Stocking. A large sock hung for gifts. Decorations. Items used to make your home look festive. Lights. Colourful lights used at Christmas. These lights can be on trees. They can be around the outside or the inside of your house or around windows or anywhere that can accommodate lights. Ornaments. Ornaments are the little decorations that are hung from trees. Wrapping paper. Paper used to wrap presents. Are you any good at wrapping presents? I'm not really good at wrapping presents. I usually get someone else to do them. Thanks, Mum. More Christmas vocabulary. Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, the night before Christmas. Christmas Day, December 25th. Reindeer, the animals that Santa uses to pull his sleigh. Sleigh, the vehicle Santa uses to bring joy and presents to many, many girls and boys around the world. An elf, Santa's little helper. Not this Santa's little helper, that's from The Simpsons. Snowman, a person made from snow. A snowflake, a small piece of snow. Winter, the cold season, usually in Europe and America. A carol, a Christmas song. People sing Christmas carols in the festive period. Mistletoe, a plant used in Christmas traditions. Usually they hang it upside and you have to kiss somebody under the mistletoe. Be careful, don't kiss anyone that doesn't want to be kissed. Christmas food vocabulary. Turkey, a traditional Christmas meat. It's very similar to chicken, but it's a larger bird. Roast dinner, food cooked in the oven. Usually contains turkey, vegetables, gravy, stuffing, things like that. Christmas pudding, a traditional dessert, usually soaked in alcohol for a long period of time, so be careful. Mince pies, small sweet pies. They don't contain mince. It's called mince pies, but they actually contain fruit, not meat. Hot chocolate or cocoa, a warm winter drink that we all love, often with marshmallows on top. My family eats turkey and mince pies on Christmas Day. Example sentences. We decorated the Christmas tree together. I wrapped the presents yesterday. The house is full of Christmas lights. Children are excited about Santa Claus. We sing Christmas carols every year. So now you know some of the most useful Christmas vocabulary in English. Try writing a sentence using one of today's words in the comments below. I'll read it. I read all the comments. Thank you very much. If this video helped you, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with someone learning English. Ted, Monkey, Picky, and Moodang appreciate it very much. So all that is left to say is a very Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a wonderful New Year. I hope you're all spending time with your family, and I hope it's a joyous occasion for everyone. So thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. Watch this video here. I'll be waiting for you. I'll see you later. Merry Christmas.